Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sarah here. Thank you for joining me. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, you are the real MVP. Thank you for coming back. Today's video is going to be a look at the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in, I hate saying this, Açai U. It's this guy here. This is the last of the Bite Size eyeshadow palette that I currently own. That is not to say I'm not going to buy more in the future, but this is what we're dealing with right now. It is a lovely kind of lilac-y, purpley, bluey vibe. So I think I'm going to be able to make something very pretty with this. If you would like to see how I do so, just keep watching. Now I'm going to start out with some swatches on the back of my very freckled hand. These shadows definitely pull up more blue than purple, I would say personally, apart from this guy here, which definitely has a nice purple shift to it. Yeah, I think this is quite a cohesive vibe. You can definitely get a full look with this palette. As with the others that I've tried, they're very well thought out in the sense that you can do the whole look. You don't need to add anything else in there. You could if you wanted to, but you don't have to. I'm just going to prime my lids with my e.l.f. All Day Stay eyeshadow primer. Really like this eyeshadow primer. Welcome back, Magnus. We all missed you. Then I'm just going to throw on a touch of my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer over the top of that. Just so we've got a nice clean combination of those two things, canvas to work with. It is time. Dive on in. As always, 1, 2, 3, 4, just makeshift names for the video. I'm going to take, I don't really know what I want to do because it is very summer vibes here at the moment in the UK. I'm going to take shade 1, which is this really nice periwinkle blue, on a big fluffy brush. Oh dear lord, there is a lot of kickback from that pan. Okay. And I'm taking that on this Luxie 205 tapered blending. And I'm going to go through the crease. It would probably help if I zoomed you in, wouldn't it? I'm just building up this colour. Really like this. I'm just tapping the tip of my brush into the pan and then working it back and forth through the crease or the socket line here. Right, well I really like that shade. I would actually quite like that shade just all over the lid. But alas, we're doing an impressions video here. We've got to use everything. But I lied, I'm still gonna take that all over the lid and just kind of build it up. This is a Sephora all over shadow brush as well. It's really lovely, dense brush, and it's great for packing on eyeshadows. As you can see, I've purposefully left this inner portion here with no product because I'm going to go back in with those shimmer shades at some point, and I would like there to be a gradient in shade for the shimmers because of what's underneath is also going to kind of impact the overall colour. That was a mouthful. While we're here, I'm just going to take that straight underneath the eye as well. I've already done all of my base. Same brush, and what I'm doing is I'm putting the product on the tip, then laying it kind of angularly, not a real word, at an angle underneath my eye, so the bulk of the product is going in the lash line, and then the lower bristles are kind of helping to blend that all out. Alright, now I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is pencil brush from e.l.f. It's the blending eye brush. It's an itty bitty guy. And I'm going to take the darker shade, so shade 4, right on the tip of that, tap it off. So my memory card filled up, and I'm not quite sure what you saw. But I'm just taking the darker shade, shade 4, in this outer corner, very gradually, just to build up definition, but I'm not creating a wing or anything of the sort. And then I'm just going to wrap it underneath the eye as well. And then to make sure it's diffused, taking the blending brush that we used before, to diffuse everything out. And then, because I have already done my base, I'm just going to take my concealer brush. It doesn't have any extra product on it, and I'm just going to run it along this edge here, just to clean it up, because you do run a kind of fine gauntlet with blue and purple eyeshadows of looking like you've been punched in the face. So, making sure it's strategically messy. Okay, so I'm going to use both shimmers because why not? And I'm going to take the shade 3, this one here first, because this one's a little chunkier. So I'm going to use that as kind of a topper for this one. And take shade 3 on a flat brush. This is a no-named flat brush. I'm just patting that over the entire lid. Being sure to get right down in the inner corner here. Then taking a blending brush that has no additional product on it, actually no product on it at all. That's not what I want. That is just to run through that inner corner. As you can see on this side, I was a little bit heavy-handed, so I'm going to take the blending brush we used with the Periwinkle shade just to deal with those edges where I got a bit overzealous, you know. I haven't put anything else on this brush. I'm just kind of evening out the shapes of both eyes. Taking my blender. Perfect. Okay. Now onto the last shade, shade 2. And I'm going to take that on my finger. Just focusing it right on the inner corner there. It just gives a bit more sparkle, you know. Now to go back to the bottom lash line, I'm going to go back to that flat brush we were using before, taking shade 1 just to work it into the lashes. Just to work it into the lashes on the bottom lash line. Alright, well that finishes up the eyes for now. I'm going to go jump off camera, finish off putting mascara on, lashes and my face, and I will be right back with the finished look for us to have a chat about. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I used the Eyeshadow London Fluttery Light number 117 lashes. The light and wispy ones. They are really nice, super thick at the base, but they have a really fluttery, nice and curled length to them. I also use my Milk Kush mascara, no surprises there because that is what I use every single day. And on my lips I have the Milani Colour Statement Lip Liner in Nude and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Matte Lipstick in Blushing Rose. I think these kind of nudie rose tones go really well with blue eyeshadow. As for the eyeshadows, I think they're great. The quality across the bite size range is very comparable. They're all really great quality, at least the ones that I've tried so far. Yeah, I think they are a great buy. At some point I will be picking out more, but for now that is the end of my e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow looks and reviews. Let me know which of the 3 palettes that I have tried you really liked. I will make sure to link the other 2 videos in the description box below, along with everything else that I have used. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel. If you're after more makeup looks from me, then just head over to my Instagram and give it a follow. That'd be great. I would love, 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 love to get to 700 followers on Instagram soon. Don't know when, but soon. Thanks. That's all I have to say for today. Enjoy your morning, evening, whatever time of day it is where you are, and I will see you in my next video.